Hey everyone, I welcome you guys to today's tutorial. We'll be talking about how to purchase a domain name and a hosting. That is part of the day one practical of our training, our 2 days training. So for today, we're using a hosting. So first of all, we have to check out what is a domain name for proper understanding of what a domain name is. Um, we all know a domain name is just like the name of your website. Domain name is just like the name. Okay, since I'm having poor connection, come I'm setting up my internet connection. Okay, I'm continuing. Okay, so what is a domain name? You can see here that it says a domain name is an identification string that defines a realm of. Okay, I don't use this is complex. Um, okay, let's use okay. Then this is simple. The domain name just simply refers to the name to your website. That's to your website. Like Facebook now, the domain name for Facebook is facebook.com. We all know that facebook.com. You can see this another example. Domain name of Google is google.com. So this is what users type in a browser search bar to directly access your website. Whenever you want to access a website, whatever you type in your search bar is called a domain name. Assuming I want to access Facebook now, all I have to do is type in facebook.com and I'll be able to access Facebook. Facebook.com is the domain name of Facebook. So how do we purchase domain names? We purchase domain names through domain servers. Yes, we have different types of domain hosting company. We have Amon Web, which is a Nigerian based domain company. We have Q servers, Google Host, TrueHost, and lots more. These are mainly Nigerian hosting companies. So we also have foreign hosting companies like Bluehost, Bluehost, Namecheap. This is Namecheap. This is Namecheap. Namecheap.com. Namecheap.com is also a domain name hosting company. We also have Bluehost.com. I actually has partnered with these companies, and whenever if you register with the link I'll be dropping in the description box, you'll be able to purchase domain name and hosting at cheaper rates from these guys. So I prefer using Amon Web actually. So if you want to purchase hosting a domain name using Amon Web is simple. Note there's also what we call extensions. These are extensions .com, .net, .org, .store, online, .edu.ng, .com.ng. Those are called extension. But the full facebook.com .com is the extension there, but facebook.com is the domain name. So assuming I want to type in um I want to purchase a domain name, just come over here, you see register a domain name, click on register domain to direct you to domain registration. So type in the domain you assume I want to purchase the internet university. I will search for type in the internet university and simply search for it. So once this is done, you can see the available domain name come up. Yeah, you can see the university the internetuniversity.com is unavailable, meaning that this domain name cannot be I can't purchase this domain name. Okay, let us confirm this. You can see it's unavailable. I can't purchase it. It's not available for me to purchase. So just come to the internet, the Google and search the internet university. Wow, you can see the internet university for sale. Wow, 598,898 dollars. This is going closely to 274 million naira. If I see somebody to sell this domain from, I don't have my. Let's go further, guys. Let's go further. So, .com, the internet university.com.ng is actually available. That's why you can see add. .ng for .ng, the internet university.ng is available. .biz is available. All these are available. There are lots more other domain names that you can purchase apart from this. You can also purchase .edu.ng. Just type in .edu.ng. You can see .edu.ng is available for 1,300 naira. dot dot net .ng is also available. I can even purchase, let me see, they have dot school. Okay, see, dot school is available for 15,000 naira. Wow, I love this domain. I'll purchase this. Dot school. So this is typically how to purchase a domain name. Assuming you want to purchase .com.ng, just click on add to carts, go to your checkout. Actually simple though. Just like you can easily navigate the computer, you understand this. You can purchase for 1 year, 2 years, 3 or so. If you want to purchase for 1 year, um, you can just click on checkout. You'll be given SSL. You can so you want to also call SSL. You see this padlock here. If you don't have SSL installed in your domain server, you can't. This it won't show this padlock. You see this padlock. It's showing that my connection is secure. You can see connection is secure. Assuming that padlock is not there, let me show you an example where there is no padlock. You see, let you can see not secure. You can see it's showing it. Look at where my mouse is hovering on. Not secure. You can see. So once this is not there, it shows that this you be sure that yes, this website is not secure and your website is trying to steal my data. So this is simple things. So or you can pay through your card, your mobile. You can also use your mobile bank transfer. You can use PayStack or BTC. So once you are done, whenever you want to purchase, just click on anyone you want to use. Agree to the terms and service and complete the order. So once you complete the order, as a new user, you'll be prompted to log in. You can see my details are there because I've already logged into the I'm already logged into my account actually. So this is how to purchase the domain name using Amon Web. It's typically the same thing when you come to Q servers. What you have to do is click on domain names. Just come to domain names. You can register new domain. Same thing actually, it's not something hard. Type in the domain you are looking for. So once you see the domain, you can see the generic domains here. So we have these are generic domains. .ng, that is .ng, com.ng, .net.ng. You can see it's cheap here, 1,100. At the other side, so it's at Amon is 1 trip. I still prefer Amon though because you're giving SSL. So all you have to typically come here is just type in assume I want to lamide.ng. Just type in lamide.ng. It's typically the same thing, and if it's available, it's okay. You can see it's available for 6,000 naira. All I have to do is continue. So when I type on continue, given DNS management for free, that is you to take care of your server for free. All you have to do is tap on continue. When you tap on continue, proceed to checkout. See, as a new customer, you fill in your details and note your details are safe actually. They aren't taking your details anywhere. So you can pay through InterSwift, PayStack or bank deposit. I advise you that you should pay through bank deposit to transfer. This InterSwift web pay, I have encountered here before. It really have a problem, and they were unable to solve that problem for me because the money got hanged in my bank account. My bank was unable to resolve it due to they was unable to contact when the InterSwitch platform was unable to solve the problem since January. I have money hanging with them, so I advise you should just use your bank transfer. The same thing also applies to Namecheap. You can buy from you with Namecheap in the same way. So this I guess you guys understand how to purchase the domain name from Amon Web or from any web server, either Amon Web, Namecheap or Google Host or so. It's typically the same way to purchase.